This is all 2017. Hey, what's up? It's Elaine, and today I'm going to talk about a lost, abandoned mystery skincare product box. So short story short, I used to always put my skincare and face mask in the big fridge in the kitchen. And even when I went to college, I had like a mini fridge and I used to put it there. And now that I moved to a house, there wasn't enough space in the fridge because we divided into 6 sections and everybody just only had like a space of a big shoe box. So I just sacrificed my skincare stuff for food. So they all ended up over there. I just threw them in and the situation is not good. I don't even know what's in there anymore and I'm kind of worried and stuff. And so today I am going to organize and clean that mess with this mini freaking cute fridge that AstroAl sent me. Suck. Okay guys, look how cute. So I chose a pink one because you guys already know, but I know they have it in like black, white, pink, and blue, I think. And I was so excited to try this because it has low noise, which is very, very important. Environmentally friendly, energy saving, efficient cooling, rapid warming. So this could warm too, it's not cool. And perfect portability. So this is actually a portable mini refrigerator. ¿Qué pasa? Oh, I'm so excited to use you. Are you guys ready to see the inside? I am. Okay. There's the cords. Instructions. So this could fit up to 6 cans of like Sprite. I don't know. I like Sprite. 6 cans of Sprite. And you can take this out. Oh, kind of rough. More details will be in the description box so you can check that out. All right, now let's go to the mystery box. Okay, here's my stuff. I'm just going to organize the skincare for now. I'm not gonna really touch the other stuff. Yeah, they're probably just gonna stay in here. I'll clean that later. 대박이다. Wow, that's 지금 조금 충격. I thought there were only gonna be like 10, 15. But this is all I found in here. What am I doing with my life? Let's count. $62. Okay, but how many of these guys are going to survive today? I feel like half of them are gonna just... Sorry. So this is my good pile. This is my throwaway pile. 2017. 2017. Okay, I'm kind of embarrassing myself. Don't waste skin mask like me. There's a lot of 2020s. This is 2020? No, no. I'm still gonna use it. 2019. 너무 아깝잖아. 이거 싶어. Look, it got gross. I don't know what happened. Oh, this one was the gross one. Look what happened. Did I spill something or something? I don't know what happened. 이것도 쓸 거야, 나. 그냥 쓸 거야. 2020? 언제? 2020 언제? 1월? 그냥 쓸까? 쓰지 마. Alright, this is a yes pile, and this is the no pile. There's more no piles, but I knew it. I knew it, guys, okay? I knew it because I didn't touch it for like few years. All right, let's go put these girls into the fridge. All right, I am done with cleaning now. I don't feel good. I feel bad, but I learned my lesson. Now that I have the fridge, I'll probably be more up to date with the expiration date. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are curious about the portable mini refrigerator, it is down in the description box with their link. And if you like this video, please give me a like And don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment. And I'll see you guys next time.